Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. That's right, gang. It's Poppy's other workshop. Are you plagued by telemarketers? They won't stop calling even though you push the button to take me off the call list. Well, next time they call, wait till you're actually talking to Mr. or Miss needs to spit out the cow dick. My wife got this for me at Walmart. It's a Atwood signal horn. This was the required for boats up to 12 meters. Don't forget, I think it's something like 10 miles. You can hear it across the lake. When you're sure you're talking to Mr. Needs to spit out the cow dick, that'll take you off the cow list real fast. I was really gratified one day. This Mumbai bitch kept on calling. Finally, I air horned her. I was gratified when I heard her scream because I heard her ear. That'll get you off the call list real fast. Haven't had a telemarketer call us since the last time I air horned one of those idiots. Think about it. You don't want them calling you? Let your air horn speak.